urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, western Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, Stark County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Ravenna to near Greene, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Canton, Ravenna, Massillon, Greene, Alliance, Talmadge, North Canton, Louisville, Sebring, Mogador, Minerva, Hartsville, Navarre, Waynesburg, East Sparta, New Franklin, Brimfield, Canal Fulton, and Randolph. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Summit.
USFL Championship games live on Fox. Hall of Fame Stadium in Canton. Case Points and the Philadelphia Stars. Jaleel Laser Beam battle J.Mar Smith and the Birmingham Stallions. In the quest to take on the first ever USFL title, history will be made. The USFL Championship game, Sunday at 7:30 Eastern on